Alright guys, so welcome back. We are here walking over to Bally's right now. In Bally's they do have the real bodies exhibit, so if you don't know what that is, they've actually cut human bodies up in little specimens where you can see the actual whole body. It's interesting and weird, creepy in the same sense, but we're walking now onto the casino floor here at Bally's. We're going to take us off to the left-hand side when we start here. And we will work our way around. So if you are a winner here, up on the left-hand side will be your cashier's cage. So if you win money, cash out, and that's the place to do so. And to check what minimums are here on the floor as we'll walk through. Craps is $10 minimums, blackjack $10 minimums, $10 minimums on blackjack. So yeah, $10 minimums. High limit slots are going to be up over on your left hand side as well. All the gaming is kind of centralized here over on this side. So right up over here is all your high limit slots. So we'll kind of take a walk through up over here. Doing it different. We're staying on the left-hand side of the casino this time. I know in the other ones I've been doing the right-hand side, so we're switching it up a bit on you guys. So you got a bunch of high-limit gaming over here. I actually have quite a few machines up here. Pleasantly surprised. Up over on the left-hand side is going to be your sports book here at Bally's as well. So we'll kind of take you up around here. We'll work our way up towards the front of the casino here and take you to where you would exit to Las Vegas Boulevard. So the poker room here is going to be up over on the left-hand side, as well as the bar area here as well. So poker room that way, bar that way, Keno Lounge straight ahead of you. I love how they still do the old classic Keno here in Las Vegas. A lot of places haven't done that in a long time. Restrooms will be back over by the poker room too, so if you need to use the restrooms, that's where you will go for that. So up over on the left-hand side, this will take you out to Las Vegas Boulevard. If you are looking to get out of here, there's a little skywalk over there with the escalators that will take you over there. Got another Corvette you can win. We have Corvettes like crazy here for some reason. Everybody's trying to give away a Corvette. Right over on the left-hand side will be where you check in if you're staying here at Bally's. This is where you do so. We got a long line of counters to be able to check in pretty quickly here at Bally's, so that's awesome. I'll show you where the elevators are to the room. It's Total Rewards here as well, so this is going to be another Caesars property. So if you guys are wondering what Players Club card it is Caesars here at Bally's, as well as Paris. And I believe it's the same in Planet Hollywood, Paris, and I believe they own the Flamingo, and obviously Caesars. So we will make our way back onto the casino floor here, and then we will take you on the left-hand side. I like the chandeliers that they've done here at Bally's. It's nice. Played here last time, did pretty well on the slots. The slots weren't as tight as MGM was last night during that live stream. That was actually pretty horrible at how tight those things actually were. There's a lot of gaming up over on the left-hand side here, as well as in the back. There are restrooms up here over on the left-hand side, and over here this would be kind of considered like your lobby bar up on the left. All their table games are centralized in the center of the casino in this one, just like at Paris as well. There's more gaming up these stairs here. This will also take you back towards the monorail as well, so if you're looking at how to get to the monorail, this will take you there. There's a few restaurants that are back here as well. There's this C, the Thai Experience, that's up over here. Up over on the left-hand side, like I said, is the bathrooms. This will also be the resort tower and guest elevators as well. So if you're staying here at Bally's, straight ahead is how you will get up to your room and take you to that place. But anyways, let's go down here. We're going to show you how to get to your monorail and food court and things like that. So food court is downstairs here at Bally's. We will be walking down there. I'll show you guys a little bit of that. And then we will cut off with you here. And then we will do the one you guys like the most, the annual strip walk. The one that we've been doing every year, the same walk each time down Las Vegas Boulevard, to point out some of the things that have changed in the years that Las Vegas has progressed since we originally started that back in 2014. So the real Bodies is down here off to your left-hand side. So if you're looking for that exhibit, it is over here, as well as the spa. The Racing Sportsbook is down here as well. There's a bunch of shops and stuff, and then this will take you back towards the pool. The pool is right by the monorail entrance. So if you're looking for that, the monorail is a good way to transport yourself right parallel along Koval and Las Vegas Boulevard. It's right in between those two streets. But anyways, guys, I think that's where we will leave off with you here today. My name is Ryan, here again with you. I'll be your host through all these walkthroughs, the strip walks. I hope you all have enjoyed the new content here from Las Vegas. I have a bunch of stuff to sit down, edit, and get this all put together and on the internet. So I hope you enjoyed the time that I took to spend in the city to film on these adventures, show you some of the things that have changed in Paris over the years. Not too much has changed, but you will notice some things like that when we go through and point these out on the strip walk. There's a bunch of stuff that has changed on the boulevard from years to years. We'll point that out. If you guys like the channel, like the content, please consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. If you guys want to help support the channel to make more content like this happen, be sure to check out the links down in the description. There's merch links. There's also links to Patreon to help support the channel by making a small donation or by purchasing, t-shirts, apparel, things like that. But anyway, we will leave off with you here today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.